Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Margarita cupcakes. First, we'll gather our ingredients, focusing on fresh lime juice and zest for that authentic citrus punch. Then, we'll mix the batter, ensuring a light and fluffy texture. Baking them to golden perfection is key before we infuse them with a special lime syrup. This guide will walk you through each step, making it easy to create these festive treats. To start, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. For the cupcakes, you'll need standard baking items like flour, sugar, and eggs. The margarita flavor comes from fresh lime juice, lime zest, and a touch of tequila. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature for easy mixing. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the baking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Once your batter is ready, divide it evenly into cupcake liners. Bake them until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, usually around 20 minutes. While they cool slightly, prepare your lime syrup by simmering lime juice and a splash of tequila. This syrup is crucial for infusing that signature margarita flavor. Gently brush the warm cupcakes with the syrup, allowing it to soak in completely. Now for the best part, the frosting. Whip up a delicious buttercream with powdered sugar, butter, lime juice, and a hint of tequila. Pipe it generously onto your cooled cupcakes. For a true margarita experience, add a sprinkle of coarse salt or a small lime wedge as a garnish. These finishing touches elevate both the look and taste. Remember to check the description for a link to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals. Enjoy your festive margarita cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.